Mankind's fascination with stars has continued through the ages. Their shimmering brilliance has been igniting curiosity and wonder, even as the telescope invented by Galileo brought them closer. We began to observe the stars in greater detail. But for sailors, venturing far from the sight of land, the stars were more than just beautiful points of light. They were a lifeline for their long voyages. Among all the stars that appear to circle the night sky, one star holds a special place, guiding ships through unknown waters to distant lands. The steadfast North Star provided guidance and direction to the sailors. Distant voyages of people aided by the unwavering North Star charted new courses across vast oceans. These journeys sparked a vibrant exchange that led to the sharing of knowledge, culture and technology, bringing people together and fostering trade. At Hitachi Energy, a similar star shines bright, uniting our transformers under a common platform, TrafoStar, a symbol of excellence in transformer design and production. TrafoStar brings together the best of knowledge and technology, spanning across 17 power transformer factories worldwide, creating transformers that stand for quality, reliability, and efficiency. For almost 3 decades, TrafoStar has been our guiding light, and today we celebrate a landmark milestone that is a global first in the history of the transformer industry. Join us as we announce this remarkable achievement. Hitachi Energy proudly celebrates the successful manufacturing and delivery of its 30,000th power transformer. Built on the TrafoStar technology platform, 30,000 transformers, one TrafoStar, leading the path to excellence.